How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a die cut sticker with Inkscape. So first things first, you want to go ahead and copy and paste your layer and just make sure that everything is aligned together. Right after, you then want to apply a white fill, and then for the stroke, you want to go ahead and put a black stroke right here. Right after, head back to the path, and then you could just simply bring it down. Right after, we are going to navigate through path, click on path effect, and then you simply want to search for offset right here. Click on it, and then in here for offset, you just want to use 10. And then right after, it will simply look something like this. Now you could basically adjust the offset if you want to. This is not going to be perfect for the first time trying it, but lower it down, and from there you are simply good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.